Hey guys, welcome back to Improved Math. If you're watching this video, chances are you want to work on your multiplication tables. Maybe you've played math games, written them over and over again, but to be honest with you, when it comes to multiplication, addition, subtraction, or division, there is really only one way to get good at them, and that is to memorize. What we're going to go through today is a set of virtual flashcards. These will cover all the tables from 1 to 12. If you haven't learned your tables up to 12, don't worry about it. The more you're exposed to these problems, the better off you will be. Here's the deal. I want you to get comfy, focus on the screen, and I want you to see how many of these flashcards you can get right. I have set these up so you'll have 3 seconds to guess the answer before the answer is shown. Say it loud and be proud. Think you can do it? If you miss some, don't worry about it. Brush it off and move to the next one. When we get to the end, I'm going to give you a little secret on how you can up your game, because we all like a good challenge, right? Let's get started. Good luck, you guys. Whew, that was a lot of multiplication tables. How did it go? When you get to the point that you're able to answer them all in 3 seconds, step it up a notch. At the bottom of the video, you will see a gear icon. Press that icon and choose playback speed, where you'll be able to increase the speed times 1.25. That will make the answer show up every 2.4 seconds instead of 3. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you guys are doing. See you next time.